Welcome back, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to talk about my little secret on how I transfer all my video equipment to and from my gigs. Alright, so yes, today we are talking about the ROCKnROLLER multi-cart. The version I have is the R6. The cart is awesome. To give you a little background, I'm a wedding videographer. I also do a lot of events in the city for keynote speakers, real estate, that type of thing. Having a cart to transfer your equipment makes the biggest difference. And instead of making multiple trips back and forth, leaving your gear unsupervised, you just make one trip with your cart, no more heavy lifting. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. So I definitely recommend the R6G. With that, it comes with the front wheels that are bigger like the back. Now I recommend getting the bigger wheels to match the back wheels because you can take it on any kind of terrain. A lot of my wedding shoots and stuff, you're in fields going over dirt and grass, and it's not smooth pavement, so it helps the little extra few bucks you spend to have those wheels. You can take it anywhere and everywhere without any concern. I also purchased the bag that attaches on the front bars. Now this is super helpful to put all your tripods and light stands and that sort of thing. I love it, and if you're gonna get it, I would definitely recommend getting the bag, or you can make your own, I guess. It's just a bag that goes on over the bars, and then it has like a frisbee plate in the bottom. And then it can also, if you only have a couple things in it, it has straps so that you can tighten it up. But yeah, it works really well, and I definitely recommend it. For size, as you saw in the beginning, you kind of get an idea of how big it is. It fits in my small Kia Rio. The R2 is probably big enough if you're just doing weddings and stuff. But yeah, I went with the R6. It's kind of in between and it's still small, so there's really no going wrong there. I think that's it. I think that's all I want to talk about in this video. I just want to bring it up to you guys because I think it's a super awesome thing to have, and it's super handy, especially if you're doing a lot of gigs, and it's going to save you a lot of trips. Your legs are going to thank me, and yeah, it's an awesome cart. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day, and thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, I'll see you guys later.